Again, I wanted to show you my Christmas decor, and then I'll do a separate video for the storage in my craft room, sort of a room tour kind of thing. But I just wanted to show you the Christmas stuff first. I'm in my dining slash living room, and this is one corner next to the kitchen. And here's how I put together these picks that I had picked up. They're sprays and picks that I got from Michael's and from Dollar Tree. So what I did is I just tucked them into a Dollar Tree jar, which I also threw in some plastic Christmas bulbs from the Dollar Tree. They come in a tube. And I did tie some of that Walmart ribbon in here, and then this was also from Dollar Tree. So I'm bringing, more of a rustic slash traditional Christmas out in the living space. So there's about 4 long picks from Dollar Tree. This is from Michael's. The star, I think, is Dollar Tree or possibly Hobby Lobby. I can't remember. I had that for a little bit. And then this is one pick from Michael's. And then there's one big fluffy pick. It was either Michael's or Joann's. I don't remember. So that's a little floral arrangement for this corner. This is kind of my shrine to my father-in-law and my dog that both passed away, so got a little something for them. Okay, I'm not going to show you the rest of the house because it's a bit of a mess. So here is my entertainment center. I have been very slowly redecorating. I want to get this kind of vibe in here, so the last thing that I really wanted to change out was my painting there. I wanted to do my own painting, but I still don't know what kind of image to use. So anyway, on this side I put 2 of my figurines. I picked it up at Publix supermarket, I think last year or the year before. I think I had it for 2 years. So it's just real simple decorating in here, not a lot of stuff. And then over here is the tree I showed you on my haul. I picked up 2 Christmas trees from Walmart. They're only $9.89, and they come with lighting already, just a strand of white lights. And on the bottom it has, this one has the burlap, this one's the green one. And at Walmart, pretty much all the decor I put on here is from Walmart. I did not put the bulbs that I picked up. I'm going to return them because I feel like this is just right as it is. So I added all the picks that I found at Walmart. The only thing that wasn't Walmart is this. And I want to tell you I got this from the Dollar Tree this year. And I thought it was perfect as it is, so I left it. And I just tucked that in there. I did go ahead and put the Christmas present. I didn't think I was going to use it, but I just clipped it onto the piece of burlap that was hanging off. So all the picks and things and the ribbon is from Walmart except for the hat. Down here, I had picked this up last year at Target. It's just a ceramic truck. And this little girl here, I think I got her either last year or the year before from, it might have been Michael's. It's a little calico cat, and I have a calico cat, so isn't she adorable? So it's meant for a larger tree, but I just stand it like a little figurine. And then down here, I love this. I usually put this in another spot, but this year I decided I don't want to go too crazy and just took out whatever I had sitting here, put it in the storage that I had all my Christmas stuff, and then made my little Christmas town scene. And most of the figurines are from the Dollar Tree. I only think that maybe just the Santa is from either Joann's or Michael's or something like that. But I do believe that every piece here, and these are ceramic, I do believe they're all from Dollar Tree. And the lighting is probably from Michael's. It's a little battery powered. It's got settings on there. And then the trees, I had gotten a very large pack of these trees in assorted sizes at Michael's a few years back. I don't know if they still carry those, but I'm sure they do. It's like a big bag. And what I did, I know it's hard to see, but can you see a little bit of lighting in there? They didn't make the holes too big, but I did tuck one little light inside before, I kept running it through. And then, yeah, so that's my little town. I put it up every year. And this time I put it in my entertainment center so we can actually look at it when we're watching something, you know? Because usually it's behind us. So there's only one more thing on in the living space. And that's my wreath. Let me turn this on. And I made these wreaths a couple of years ago. And the lighting, I think, is also from Dollar Tree. The ornaments are probably Dollar Tree as well, or Walmart. They are plastic. I do prefer non-breakable ornaments. The star, don't remember where I got the star from. It might have been Dollar Tree. And then these guys I had gotten, I think, at Hobby Lobby a couple years back. So, some of you have been following me for years now and have seen my past Christmas trees and stuff, and know that I had a larger tree. It was like a 4-foot or 5-footer. But I got tired of decorating it and not knowing where to put it because we're always rearranging and moving things around. So now I'm down to what you saw, plus this. That's right at the entrance. And I just put them on there. They're not permanently on because I might want to move them or something. And then it is battery operated. So now let's go to my room. Isn't it cute in the dark? Let's go to my room. The lights are off, but this thing is in the way. So here it is. I'm going to turn the light in a second. I just wanted you to see without the lights, and now let me turn on the lights. I probably will add to my room as far as Christmas decor because, you know, they have so many cute things. So I kind of pared down some things, put stuff away, and left this a little empty. Now I'll show you that a little bit better later in the next video. But here is my shabby chic white tree. I mentioned that last year I sprayed my trees with that white snow stuff, and then when I put it all down, not only did it make a mess, it gave me such an itch, a rash, you know, I guess I was allergic. So now I just have a white tree. Again, Walmart, $9.89. I did not cover this because you're not really going to see it, but you can. It's just plastic that they put down there, and it's pre-lit again. And I think all the ornaments on here, or most of them, are from Walmart again. And these I picked up last year, these floral kind of clips. There's another one up here. And then I have two floral sprays. They come with these 2 roses, this pine cone, and a little bunch of berries. Those are from Walmart as well. I got those this year. And I simply just poked it through, or, you know, just shoved it in there just to have some flowers in there. I got this last year. I don't know if they have them this year. I can't remember. They probably do. But look at that. I got this from Walmart, a cute thing. And then I think someone gifted me this deer. I've been hanging on to that for a while. It's a pick, so I just poked them in. Now these fluffy things, they're actually, I have 3. There's another one there. Those are the pens that I got at Walmart during Halloween. It was the pastel Halloween stuff that I had picked up. I just tucked them in. They do sell these as picks, but I'm like, you know what? I still got those pens. I'm just going to poke them through. That's the top. Well, mine, I pretty much filled it. I didn't need to put any ornaments. And then there's some items that were gifted to me that were handmade, or some homemade projects. Oh, this came out here. I think most of them were from Tammy, SS Crafter 1. So then down below, I just kind of sat my little ice skates. Don't know where I got those. Probably Michael's or Hobby Lobby. This is definitely Michael's. There's this one, and then the other one. And then this is, oops, the brother to the snowman that Natasha gave me. And then some more some handcrafted items. And there's another snowman there. And then Tammy sent me this little girl. I left her as is. I could have made her shabby chic, but I wanted to leave it original. And I just moved my lamp over a little bit. So that's all that I have. Oh, I just stuck that there. I think I got that from Target. That's pretty much all the Christmas that I have out. And like I said, probably for the rest of this room, I might add a little here and there. I might not. I don't know. I just wanted to leave the space open. As far as crafty stuff, hold on. I did take it all out. I put away fall. I'm done. I'm sorry. I'm done with fall. But Christmas is down here, so it's ready to get pulled out and organized. And I'll do a Christmas stash video too. So there'll be a few videos coming. So to see the rest of the room, stay tuned. I'm going to record that next. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.